About 5 years ago, we moved to this ranch with basically zero experience in homesteading, farming, or land management. But I did have a background in tech and a lot of curiosity about whether I can make this lifestyle, well, smarter. So I've been spending the last 5 years figuring that out. And this channel is where I'm sharing everything that I'm learning. Here's the honest truth. I spent countless hours researching how to do this, digging through forums, watching videos, using AI to find answers. What I kept finding was, well, pieces, bits of information here and there, but no single place that connected homestead life with home automation in a practical way. So I started building things myself. Lots of learning, which is a good thing. Take a look at V2 of our chicken coop door. One kept dying because the batteries would burn out and not let anybody know. Two, on the other hand, works flawlessly. If there is any issues with it opening, closing, battery running low, I get an alert via Home Assistant. So that's what this channel is about. I'm just someone who's been figuring this out as I go. And I'm documenting it all so that if you're trying to do something similar, you don't have to spend 5 years making the same mistakes I did. You'll see automation projects, how I built them, what worked, what didn't, and how much they actually cost. Tool and equipment reviews tested on a real working homestead, and tutorials on Home Assistant specifically for homestead applications. The goal isn't to turn your ranch into some high-tech showcase. It's just using the tools we have available to make the parts that don't need to be hard easier. If this sounds interesting to you, if you're trying to figure out how to blend this lifestyle with modern tools, I'd love to have you follow along. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.